The Innova SDS43 stores the scan history in previous vehicles, which has a capacity of up to 30 reports. Your reports may vary depending on the previous diagnosis sections and may include OBD2 diagnostics report with emission inspection results, Scan all systems report, which includes fault or no fault statuses and detailed DTC information, an overall vehicle health report in the vehicle inspection, and workshop tools with vehicle-specific service procedures. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.